Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated luxury crossovers of 2026, the all-new Lexus NX. Lexus has completely reimagined this SUV, blending futuristic styling, cutting-edge technology, and refined performance. Whether you're a longtime Lexus fan or just curious about what the NX has to offer, stick around because we're going to cover everything you need to know about this remarkable vehicle, from its exterior and interior to performance, technology, pricing, and more. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the front of the 2026 Lexus NX immediately grabs attention with its bold, signature spindle grille. It's wider and more angular than before, giving the NX a more aggressive and athletic stance on the road. The sleek LED headlights are sharper, featuring integrated daytime running lights that curve dramatically around the front fenders. Lexus has paid meticulous attention to detail here, and it shows in the sculpted hood lines and the precise finishing around the grille. The front bumper design is both functional and stylish, with air intakes that not only look sporty but also help with aerodynamics and engine cooling. Even the smaller details, like the chrome accents around the fog lights and grille, contribute to a luxurious first impression that truly elevates the NX above its competitors. Moving to the side profile, the 2026 NX exudes a sense of motion even when standing still. The lines flow smoothly from the front fender to the rear, creating a dynamic and modern silhouette. One of the standout features is the floating roof design, complemented by a subtle chrome trim that runs along the window line. Lexus has also updated the wheel options, offering larger alloys with intricate spoke patterns that enhance the SUV's road presence. The side mirrors are aerodynamically optimized and come with integrated turn signals, further emphasizing Lexus's commitment to blending functionality with luxury. The slightly flared wheel arches and muscular shoulder lines give the NX a robust yet agile appearance, showing that it is ready for both city streets and adventurous escapes. At the back, the 2026 NX continues its bold design language. The taillights are slimmer and more connected than before, stretching across the rear and giving the SUV a wider, more planted appearance. The rear bumper has been subtly reshaped, incorporating dual exhaust outlets for the gas-powered variants and a sleek diffuser-like element for the hybrid models. There's also a sharp rear spoiler that adds to the sporty vibe, while the rear window and hatch design ensure practicality without compromising aesthetics. Lexus has also added a signature L-shaped rear lighting design, which not only looks modern but ensures high visibility on the road. Overall, the NX's exterior is a perfect blend of aggressive styling and refined elegance, making it a true standout in the luxury compact SUV segment. It's a car that makes you stop and take a second look, whether parked outside a cafe till copyright or cruising down a highway. Interior. Step inside, and you'll notice that Lexus has completely elevated the cabin experience. The interior is designed to feel both futuristic and incredibly comfortable. Soft-touch materials cover almost every surface, with a mix of leather, wood, and metallic accents that exude premium craftsmanship. The dashboard is driver-centric, with a clean layout that balances technology and simplicity. The centerpiece is the large, higher-resolution infotainment screen, which supports touch, voice, and remote touchpad controls. Lexus has also integrated a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to show navigation, performance metrics, or driving modes. Ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication, allowing you to tailor the cabin atmosphere to your mood, whether you're driving at night or enjoying a sunny afternoon. Comfort is a major focus, with seats that are sculpted for long-distance support and available ventilated and heated options. The cabin is spacious, offering ample legroom for both front and rear passengers, while rear seats can be folded flat to expand cargo capacity. Lexus hasn't skimped on technology either. The 2026 NX comes with the state-of-the-art climate control system, premium audio options, and an array of connectivity features including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and multiple USB-C ports. Even the center console and storage compartments have been thoughtfully designed for maximum convenience. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the feeling of openness, while noise insulation ensures a serene driving experience, cutting out most road and wind noise. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Lexus NX impresses on multiple fronts. Depending on the variant, you can choose from a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, a hybrid powertrain, or a plug-in hybrid option. The turbocharged engine produces robust power while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency, thanks to Lexus's advanced engineering. The hybrid and plug-in hybrid models deliver an excellent balance of performance and economy, allowing for quiet, smooth acceleration while reducing emissions. All-wheel drive is available across most trims, providing confident handling in various weather conditions. The suspension has been tuned for both comfort and sporty dynamics, absorbing bumps effortlessly while still giving the driver a connected feel to the road. Steering is precise, brakes are responsive, and the overall driving experience is refined, making the NX equally at home on city streets, highways, and winding back roads. The SUV feels agile despite its size, and it offers multiple drive modes. Pricing for the 2026 Lexus NX is competitive for the luxury compact SUV segment. The base model comes loaded with standard features, including advanced safety systems, a quality infotainment setup, and premium interior materials. As you move up to higher trims or opt for hybrid and performance-oriented models, the price increases accordingly, reflecting the added technology, luxury, and efficiency. While exact pricing may vary by region, the NX offers a strong value proposition when compared to rivals like the BMW X3, Mercedes-Benz GLC, and Audi Q5. Lexus has managed to balance affordability and luxury, making the NX an appealing choice for buyers seeking a sophisticated, versatile, and technologically advanced SUV. In conclusion, the 2026 Lexus NX represents a significant leap forward for Lexus in the luxury compact SUV market. Its exterior design is bold and modern, blending aggressive lines with refined touches that command attention. The interior cabin is luxurious, spacious, and loaded with cutting-edge technology, offering comfort and convenience for both driver and passengers. Performance is balanced, with multiple powertrain options that cater to different driving preferences, from sporty acceleration to eco-friendly efficiency. The safety and driver assistance systems further elevate the NX, making it not only a pleasure to drive but also a vehicle you can trust. The 2026 Lexus NX stands as a benchmark in its class, combining luxury, performance, and technology in a way that few competitors can match. Whether you're navigating urban streets, cruising on the highway, or exploring winding back roads, the NX delivers a refined and engaging experience that makes every journey memorable. For anyone in the market for a stylish, capable, and technologically advanced SUV, the 2026 Lexus NX should definitely be at the top of your list. That wraps up our full review of the 2026 Lexus NX here on Turbo Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an in-depth review of the latest vehicles hitting the roads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more performance breakdowns, luxury SUV insights, and detailed car reviews. The NX isn't just a car, it's a statement of luxury, technology, and refined driving enjoyment, and it's clear Lexus is pushing the boundaries with this model.